Hey class, this is course 2, lesson 63, symbols of inclusion. So you might be asking yourself, hey, what are symbols of inclusion? Well, they are a symbol that groups or includes numbers together. Okay, so they're going to tell us that we should do something with those symbols first. And those are parentheses, brackets, and braces. There are also, absolute value, parentheses are under the fraction bar. Okay, this is just an extension of order of operations. That's what we're doing today. Order of operations. And so symbols of inclusions that we just talked about here, they all fall under the P parentheses group. Okay, these are things that you will do first. So we're going to simplify this problem. We have 50 minus the group of 20 plus the group of 10 minus 5. Now I color-coded these for you because we are going to do the innermost set of parentheses first. So, or grouping symbols. We have these brackets and braces and parentheses, and we're going to find the ones that are on the inside first and do those. So we're going to underline those and rewrite everything else that's there. What is 10 minus 5? It's 5. Okay. Now we look at this again and go back through PEMDAS. What do we do next? We have to still do this grouping symbol first. So 50 minus, what is 20 plus 5? It's 25. And then we subtract and we're done. Okay, here's another problem for us to solve. Go ahead and get that written down on your paper. Press pause if you need to. This symbol right here is the absolute value symbol. And we need to do whatever's in there first because we have parentheses, but we have this other grouping right here. So 12 minus, parenthesis, 8 minus, what is the absolute value of 4 minus 6? So I'm going to put the absolute value down. What is 4 minus 6? Well, that's negative 2. If I have $4 and or if somebody, let's see, if I owe somebody, nope, if I have $4 but I lose 6, which doesn't seem possible, I'm short $2, right? Or if I have $4 but I owe somebody $6, I can only give them the 4 and I still owe them 2. I'm short $2. Okay, now I included that absolute value symbol because I'm not done with that yet. All I did was simplify the 4 minus 6. So that's the next thing that has to be done. And hopefully you remember that the absolute value is how far away from 0 the number is. So how far away from 0 is negative 2? Well, it's 2. Okay, so, and then I just rewrote everything else. So now we have to do inside the parentheses, right, we're on PEMDAS. We did parentheses, or we're in the parentheses, so then we go through exponents, no, multiplication, division, no, addition and subtraction, yes, but I do those from left to right, so we do the subtraction first. 12 minus 8 minus 2, 6 plus the 2, so now I still have to do what's in the parentheses. 12 minus 8 is just 4. Okay, we're going to simplify this fraction, and we have to simplify the numerator and simplify the denominator, and this division right here is the very last thing that we'll do. Okay, so I'm going to simplify the numerator first. 4 plus 30 minus 7, and then I would do this addition because it's left to right. 34 minus 7 would be 27. So my numerator, and I'm going to write it over here because I know that if I don't, I'm going to forget that I have a number in the denominator. Now my denominator, I need to do parentheses first, so I have 10 minus, what is 9 minus 8? 1. And then 10 minus 1 would be 9, which I'm going to put over here, and then you divide and get 3. Okay, symbols of inclusion are not that difficult. Remember, it's just the order of operations. Go through those steps, and you should, if you're going through them correctly, you should get the same answer that everybody else gets. So remember to show your work. Okay, with that, I will see you in class.